Yeah.
Good morning, y'all. It's been a while. Welcome to Jeazie Tv. Today, y'all gonna take a walk with me. It's about 7:20 in the morning. Dang. It's about 7:20 in the morning. About ready to go open up shop. Open up shop on Saturdays at 8 o'clock. I do about 8 to 6:30 every Saturday. So, it's your boy Eazie. Take a ride with me. Here we are. At the place where all the magic happened. Sure.
I be count money all day and all night. Michael Jordan with the hustle, watch me take flight. Bad batch by my side, she do what I like. Look into the sky, yelling it's the life. This the life, this the life. Look into the sky, yelling it's the life.
Yeah, man, this is my every Saturday, man. Coming here about 7:30, man. Get everything together, man. Get the day started, you know. See, I'm the first one up in here. Everybody else will be in here a little later, man. We're gonna get it cracking. And today we having wings, man. Wifey gonna be making wings. She make wings every other Saturday, man. They love her wings too. People be on our neck about that. So, yeah, man, we about to have a nice little Saturday up in here. Wings, a lot of cuts, man. We just gonna be fixing ugly, you know. Welcome to Easy Cuts. It's our little break room. I want to get away from everybody while you take a little break. I had to open up them blinds or curtains, whatever you want to call them. Open them up so we can see outside. Don't mind that car sitting there. There'd be a lot of stuff going on over here, but we still get it in together. Even that house. A lot of stuff going on over here, but we make it work. This is where we come to make money. Bread and butter. Bread and butter. Easy cuts. A little station right here. It's a little dirty. I mean, life of a barber. Everybody else station. We got the women over there, so they keep their station more clean. But, yeah. Got my little tools. I'll start out by grabbing my little guards that I'm gonna need for the day. Set them up here, you know. I got my spray and all that I need for the day. This ain't liquid razor. I got alcohol in there with Clubs Man. This is liquid razor. Cool Care, fire protector, hair fibers. I even got the compressor, airbrush compressor, you know, to spray hair color on. People that want hair color on their hair, you know what I'm saying? That's the enhancement. So, yep. I'm about to get to it, about to get ready. Got some wings up in here.
How can you create a
Nebraska game on. Let's go Nebraska.
real quick?
Sound recording too.
What you gotta do is the officials are focused on the ball.
You said what? Good, y'all. Sorry I ain't been able to talk because I've been busy. But look who's here. Chilling. We got done watching the Nebraska game not too long ago, and they lost. Actually, there right now, our other two gone. One was just here, but she left for the day. So, about to finish this Saturday up, and we about to turn up. So we gonna take y'all on to our turn up. 3. Hey, what's up, y'all? Man, my bad. I was so in a rush, man. I be so ready to leave the shop because I got the next 2 days off. I'll be so ready to leave the shop that I ain't even get to record me closing up or nothing, but I'll do that on the next round. But now we on to the next. We're supposed to be going to my brother and sister-in-law anniversary party. They was having a fish fry or whatever. But of course, Mother Nature hating. It's raining right now, so we're gonna figure out what's going on when we get there. But we about to get our Saturday started, man. I'm fresh off work. I got the next 2 days off. I'm about to stop at this store, and get my tequila, and it's going down. So y'all stay tuned. Yeah. Good morning, y'all. Happy Sunday. Sorry, guys. I know I was supposed to record the anniversary party yesterday, but we ended up getting drunk and all that stuff. So we're just going to go into Sunday Funday. And so today I am going to try to make the, what's they call, Barrera tacos. Barrera tacos. I'm going to make it with the chuck roast and some chicken tacos for my wife's request. And we're going to see how it goes. So y'all just follow us, you know, through the day. And yeah. I know it's going to be great because I'm a chef, so yeah, for sure. What's good, y'all? I'm at the store. I usually go to the bank every Sunday and, you know, make my deposits for my business. So I'm up here at Hy-Vee getting stuff for the last little bit for the dinner and all. I figure out what I'm going to get for dessert. You know, my wife called me talking about, make sure you get dessert. So, let me see what I'm okay, y'all, I'm finally out of the grocery store, Hy-Vee. The only reason I was at Hy-Vee is because my bank is there. And, you know, a lot of banks ain't open on Sunday. So I go there just to get everything out the way so I can start my week fresh. But I was in Hy-Vee lost because we go to Baker's. We go to our grocery store called Baker's. That's where we go. We know where everything is. When I go to Hy-Vee, I just be all over the place. So it took me forever to find 3 things. These are the 3 things I got while I was at Hy-Vee. Literally 3 things. I got some bread because my son wanted some peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. Then I got these. I'm gonna throw these in the crock pot. Then the last thing I need to throw in the crock pot with so I can make that sauce for the dipping tacos. And then I got this turtle cream pie. So my wife wanted a dessert for after dinner. So man, it took me a minute just to find all that. That's why I like going to grocery stores I know. What's up, man? Yeah, as y'all see, y'all still taking a ride with your boy, man. Sundays with Eazie, you feel me? But anyways, I'm about to head down here to the studio while I'm letting stuff cook at the house, because I ain't gonna start cooking everything until probably about 3-4 o'clock. We usually have Sunday dinner around like 5 or 6. So I'm about to go down here to the studio and meet my cousin KG, because we got a CD coming out soon called Kins to the End. It's our EP. This will be our second project that we dropped. We haven't dropped a project since 2010. So yeah, I'm gonna keep y'all updated on that. So I'm about to go down here, you know, and check on everything, make sure everything good, you know, so we can be ready to drop real soon. Anyways, y'all just keep taking a ride with me. Home, get a little short stint in the studio, drop me a little verse. Y'all probably hear it later, but this is what we got going on. Foil on the top. It's because I lost the top, but just a little sauce I'm making. Got a bunch of, I don't know, just a bunch of stuff in it. This is what we're gonna use to dip the tacos in and stuff. So yeah, see, you got all the leaves, garlic, onions, all type of stuff in there. So we just gonna see how this gonna taste. So y'all just pray for chicken going on. I just took all the stuff out of there. I still got some in there. So I'm about to put in the blender, blend this all up. Yep, blend it all up. Blend it all up. Right in there. I'll cut everything down, take it to the sauce, going down. Okay, look. I'll put this back in after I blended it. Look how thick that sauce is now. I know I can't finish the day off without this. Come on now. Y'all should know the Jeffersons by now. Oh. Yeah. Good old mimosa. It's Sunday. Let's get it. Finish this food. And it's up. Well, this is a rough draft of what I'm doing. Yeah. It's first time making these, so bear with me.